President Crown for Senator Zonka.
Yes, IGP Crown for Senator.
Debbie, I see President is the only person.
Obetimi.
Sana story now that online no. But me yes sure.
Me near bro, see I divorce.
Owusu bempa.
Unim baby owo pa de nka wa bogana fo nyina bro.
Obekasa Debbie me yes sure. Me yes sure. So I can't say ampa dia post functional. What I want to know when you invite now quickly no nchre.
Ade say nyina na awofo no wo mopo muden so tia na eti papa nkasa nkasa yenko yenim
ontminka
Daily Graphic ni na Daily Graphic na wode Ghana nsemo a wasa wotie wodi bi abahayi krata fe to so dunsia na asema wode abade wodi mate hofo bi ya abagana hanom na anya de edikan a wo ye binie krata fe to so dunsia no wo se nipa mako nwotwe a wogidi ye se wo mo na wo mo se wo mo pese wo mo te wo mo ho they from Homeland Study Group Foundation wo mo se wo mo ho e from mantamu na wo maka bom se wo mo pese wo mo te wo mo ho efiri Ghana ho no wo mo kikire wo mo man enti aposifo ene asrafo nso ka wo mo ho bo mu se wo mo pese wo mo kire wo mo a wo mo pese wo mo kikire wo mo man no ene ye di wo matena asojafo alupremu e de wo ma bankran se wo mo ni wo mo eba bedi nkomo me de toso enum Captain Smart birthday akosua papa bi birthday me bra akwasi bedi akọ birthday ya na amanfo echu wo mo nase no na ho nsuso de butubutu say yes Kwame Nkrumah pampim bi na wo boy ya wo declare yi Ghana friends me na na se freedom managers na omo susu akwa bia senka ye nu wantamo a omo se wo mo te Western Togoland wo a cheso mbe ye wo mo man enti asempe wo ni se apostifo kodu wantem enti ya kasa nhyehyeye no agu krata ya ne feto so edunson New Patriotic Party NPP amanyoko no oba baako ya meka se wontumi mo mama yensa din e wa NPP amanyoko mu a ubeyi na si nchen Mrs Esla Osu Ekufo ono na de ato amanyoko no achidifo nyinanim se ubegina baabi a betwa mpo ato ayampia no jai ne faka enuoma papa empuntunuma ehyehyeye ya papa ya NPP amanyoko no ade agu akwan mu free bra wo mo ba bedi ade yi wo se eno no na betimi aboa ama amanyoko no nepa no ama obi agina so na 2020 wato abama na se basa so kora na campaign na ombeye for 2020 elections no emu nkoye den ema omu bebre enti wei eye ensem wa democrat edi aba na uhwe graphic animu hanomu a wode Ghana sika cedi no ne mfoni aba begu ana rehosam ne se ye 2 Ghana cedis no ama yecha amapenda da kofo breso a wocha sa sika dadai wocha sika 1 2 3 4 5 1 Ghana cedi eno otra betwa 5 Ghana cedi eno wocha 10 Ghana 20 Ghana ni 50
so mam na yenye we intend Dr. Kwaku Poku Asante, Director of Kintampo Health Research Center. Doc, what been coming watch ano pay
na chiminga
na bibia e boko de
ya mi Adom bibia e boko
do malaria vaccine ye ho asema ba aye ho obia won version yenya nte se eba na mu nhwehwemu ni ade a Kintampo Health Research Center mudi mu akotene patwa den na maye wo sa vaccine ye ho
so me da se ana me ma etifo so ate da so ma kwanye na so shaka bia fa ho Kintampo Health Research Center, one of the Ghana Health Service Research Centers. Now, 2006, about 2014, malaria vaccine in Shishemu, and yene Akuku Malaria Center, ni now Ghana has it. In 24, yes, I'm sure we na if Ghana. Now, ni na Ghana, Australia, Shumuno from Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Na no many DH. Bibia ebe ya need akodam. Omo share ethics. Se na ebe ya emfa nkofo fa ho die so. Na so hwehwem obi aso EDH. Nti ye no ne de bibia akodam panyifo. Na sisi a nyame Adom Ghana panyifo ne ewiase amansanfo na ajatum se Ghana emfa panel ntitin kola awo miamia baby
eti doc mo nhwehwɛ mu no ma me yɛntwa ne sei mo na mo yɛ nhwehwɛ mu no ɛyɛ papa ɛyɛ sɛ yɛmfa ho yɛ ma no
minia sɛnea Ghana mpanyinfoɔ ade aka no ɛyɛ papa ɛte sɛ deɛ paneɛ biara yɛkɔ ɔde bakɔ hospital ɛde titi ɔmo no saa na tie na yɛmfa ntobu anaasɛ measles paneɛ no yɛna yɛsusua no yɛtete yɛ bi nti na bia na yɛte ase a yɛka sɛ nti paneɛ deɛ a yɛde tete nkɔla no ɛyɛ paa wei malaria vaccine wei so saa ne ayɛ saa nhwehwɛ mu ana mpanyinfoɔ agye ato mu sɛ ɛyɛ nti yɛmfa ntete nkɔla nti no mefiw sɛ ɛyɛ nigyesɛm na yɛhɛ malaria sɛnea ɛsi ɛdi ɛnya wɔ Ghana ha na sɛ yɛtumi te so ɛbɛboa yɛ paa because mpanyinfoɔ agye ato mu ni so sɛ malaria na ɛha yɛ na wɔsi yɛyɛ ho bibi yɛma bed nets woyare a wɔsɛ ɔde ba kɔ hospital ne yɛma no do ina no ate yare no so nso ɛnkɔɔ fam koraa last year te sɛ malaria cases nko abɛyɛ 5 million nti ɛda so wɔ hɔ nti wɔsi yɛyɛ bibi fa ho nti na mpanyinfoɔ agye ato mu no
Pacho one kasa between the say subo kase sa vaccine we friend Mosquirix eye
nya eye pa
ti yenwo
ntu obia mfa ne ba enko wo ewo nyemia aban agya tum se yemfa nhyasie no yemfa nko yemfa manko
dog yesi ebe wo ho sa mfie num minim se sa na nchihye ne tia
nti se ne nchihye ne tia ne se Ghana API afibia no ombetina se adwendwe ho se ne besi ai be ko ye betrem ana se ye benden ni no ombedwendwe ho no ombedwendwe ho ina ye besa atlas ya bobom to se kasa ho ye kan ho asemi na mpinfo akọ china ye se ne de action se sia no between 3 to 5 years no ombewie na ye betrem na ya trip
Pacho pass vaccine ya no prevent malaria and hepatitis B e won kwada anim
vaccine no prevent malaria na the tiene say vaccine no ya na say vaccine bia no prepi no ye the other baby to say hepatitis B e ka ho na ye enti we so sana omode aye no enye hepatitis B panie e malaria panie.
Pacho, efficacy level no you're saying is it 100%, 40%, 50%, 60%, and as I say
efficacy level no 40%. You know, they're trying to say the catcher say National Malaria Control Program. My to say last year there are 5 million cases of malaria and almost recorded here. It is say the panel about Nicola. It is not the so be 2 million. I'm not able to do 3 million. So to the mention, nti eyesana Ghana ye save ye ho sika kakra na bianka ye de be ye bibi no mame a otifie ni ba no so ebia onyare enko hospital obetumi akwa dinidwa akola nso betumi akwa school. It is anete efficacy no 40%.
Eti minim sa 40% na ye say ye de wowa edro no wa hoɔden sɛ be fight against malaria parasite no 40% ana sɛ wo fa nipa 100 bia na de wo mo a emu 40% na betimi edro no betimi aboa mo kyɛ 140% no mu yie na mentia sɛ
nti sɛ one kola na fa nipa 100 bia number of malaria ebesi was an kola 100 no eso beti by 40%.
There's a 16 there's the possibility so betimi malaria no.
There's a possibility some between malaria. Anything you can say, what paniano crana colano who yes, I was set with the colano eco hospital near test say a malaria nibia, not Isiano, Ramano, anti malaria. Young cousin that in Tuntum Dinum. Young cousin sees a man seemingly and put him. Senebea and Tuntum Mondo and Becayan. And to weigh Pania ababe ka de wo hono so wo hodada no beboa
eti mpacho eba ne sa enkwada nketenkete ne de wo mo wo kan literatures ne bia ebi say between 6 weeks and 17 weeks ebinum say 6 weeks and 17 months mpacho age bracket ben ye dey wo mo sesei.
Okay, I'm saying literature no be a work kind. I know your time and I issue.
Okay.
Yeah, issue be on 6 weeks to 12 weeks. Yeah, 5 to 17 months. Now since you had been paid for idea to say, you found one color 6 months near the kind of back 7 months near the kind of second one. 9 months near third one. I could only do 2 years near fourth one.
It's now about 1 pen 9.
About 1 pen 9.
Chakoda ne bedi mfie mienu na wawo vaccine we mako and 9.
No vaccine we mako 9.
Mpacho stage bia side effects be na wo ho.
Oh, it said the side effects na other vaccinations. We been say akola ne bia nsa be bia ya wo no pane na ho ba ne ya. E bia no ho ba yeshi. E bia oba yemuso kakra. It said the akola akwo enter and now call measles and now call yellow fever. Sada no society. Now, send me in 24 years on Ghana Food and Drugs Authority over the piano. And for penta name measles, Nina, one now. Omni teacher, senior Bayer, census, Supia, or why you ombe no more dream. Sasso no more way.
Pacho measles, you want them pendo do saying. Measles,
you want them premium
and pay you know. Yenim first stage no your friend is saying side effects or second stage in there but way one vaccine no ye one in plan 9 between 6 months to 2 years na kwada no one on pen 9 e binum wo long term resistance to vaccines side effects e binum wo short term e binum wo medium term it's more year research ni wie no e ba no side effects na. What were the levels? I mean, one more ordained, one more strong immune system, no. Nah, one more resistance net to saying, one more immune system, no what from no, almost resistance net to saying.
Yo, but yeah, way no holding way no you're doing way like 6 Debbie. The kind of moment show say Ghana, you want pentavalent vaccine 3 times. I qualified the 6 weeks. No, we did 10 weeks. No, we did 14 weeks. You open. Inti panel to one of the yeah.
Matia no I say, but yeah, the vaccine woni pa. Sabe me scientist, but we read. Yeah, the vaccine wa. Obia was said to react to any medication.
Yes.
But was sanity.
Obia was said to react to.
Fantastic.
Obi wa no so nsan
super. Enti patrowi.
Sorry. Obi so wa no ho ba yashi. Obi so wa no ho nyashi. So to the mission ase. Inti ye ehia ne say akwala no ye wono pane na say how bia ba no so a. E betumi asa de nako aya sabie and as a nurse or war pane no.
Okay.
But they who say prep you know to say the measles ni yellow fever no. Akwala no ho ba yashi kakra. So ensheda nya bia.
Okay. Yen fan say akwada abesu eho be hono kakra eho be ye ne ya eye normal side effect ye mpani fo kwa ye wo pane a me misro pane wo me wo ye me ya be wa me tibi kura so enti eno ye normal apart from some normal ones here ye hunu no in your research side effects be na mutimi identify here based on active ingredients e wo vaccine nim
yo that's it side effects na ya boboso no side effects na ya boboso no
say say obianya bibi fufu bia ye nim dia e betimi dia ma mpanyifo no mo so matna so ma hwem but Ghana Health Service and mpanyifo etna so fever ne insane ne sayen dia kaka ne ada di na obo say yes e wo hodie nanso so the benefit of the vaccine no outweighs fever ne sa nema ya nim dada ma teacher say kwala ne bi ho mo wo mbenya fever ebi wo ho mo ho ba yeshi ebi mso wo ho mo ho yeshi ahwoshe na ye fever na say fever ankasa sa ahwoshe na ye fever symptom fever de ina ye ka say nya fever neso so over medicine mo na say doctor for ka say mo ye ka fever just akola no ho yeshi Okay, enti fever ne na ma akoda ne ho ayehye no. Enti causative agents na was vaccines ne mu no. Then etimi cause e wa akoda ne body ne mu a etimi ma ne ho no yehye no.
Okay. You know say etego wa eduane bi kura wudi eduane na etimi ma wo ye basa. Sa na tie. Ye wo pane na pane no koye mu a ye ne say my body no ekutia malaria no na se ne ebekutia malaria no that time kakra na wa pane no e man no sa reaction na be man ho ayehye what is the mission that say it no a body's reaction to the vaccine.
Okay, doc, one cancer vaccine wa hu bi what do we near hu bi
obenya me hu bi pa
what did be akola
because it was 2006.
Okay,
ebepem 2014 adumade ya na yedi.
Okay, so what did be akola
ba yes me hu bi.
Okay, one cancer what did be akola
but all that
mo ankasa mo de bi akola laboratory o Ghana ha
ansana edro bia beba Ghana ama ye yusu say ye de yehwehwem ana say ne ye de won kola to say the CCIS ye de won kola Ghana Food and Drugs Authority omo responsibility say omo be hwehwe nduro no de bia no omo de kodon omo no omo ma ye krata che say omo wogidi say ane ye fantete Ghana nkola nti ye wa abehwemu say omo aye omo aka che say omo aye ni na anti na omo ma ye kwan say ne ye fantete nkola no
pacho who are reshemu evidence based because this is about science, this is about vaccine, this is about medication. Areshemua and krata da so show all the active ingredients, the causative agents. If it is the plasmodium protein, the levels either is 1, 2 or is 4, 6 or whatsoever. The HP levels, the pH levels, the fluid levels, the morbidity levels ne ade ni na no wo matima yegu nkrata so dia mamo makan as medical doctors anase by mouth
nini na nyema egu nkrata so so Food and Drugs Authority the betro
no but one
apart from
okay
apart from no so no vaccine nankasa no ya trot from home kitinkiti the womb ne Nina constituents ne bibia o fasa vaccine odo nti katare de Ghana Food and Drugs Authority omu woni na obi opebia no obetia something so na wahwehwe
wona wo ye director of Kintampo Health Research Center sa report say wo ho ampa wahu bi have you seen a copy
I'm in church room. Enti a offer me say opese ohun say ya ye nhwehwemu na na ya ye nhwehwemu no ye wie 2014 enu echi no bibia ehise bia e wo ho no eye Ghana Health Service CPI any Food and Drugs Authority nhwehwe enti no sa enkrata ye ka ho asem na no Food and Drugs Authority ewo Ghana Health Service ewo Inti se menewo sisi ano panelo menewo ye pemu asemi tium anase nkrata a wo ho a man service ni ru account room a ye use na Ghana Food and Drugs Authority
the baby son say okay say the levels any ade na gone through all the stages here the bedru Ghana Food and Drugs Authority aye ni na me say research na mo ye no sa Food and Drugs Authority results no who copy have you seen a copy yourself?
The Food and Drugs Authority results are the command Food and Drugs Authority. Time I have seen it, and I can say the safety profile is good.
Okay. More results, no more research. No more the court down. One more say, one more soon see it. Na say, one more. And see, one more. No more. No. Oma bra copy official copy say wa wo the reports bibia command so onye hwehwemu ma no further investigations oma bra copy
yes what the bibia command mo almost sign ma information say ya hwehwem say ni akwa akosi nti omo questions bia akra na omo busa na ya answer
na enti an efficacy level no 40%. Na afena womu gusu ye further studies a umbe improve efficacy level na say apem.
Yo me da say enti efficacy level na 40%. I'm say na chance ni susa no ye measles ni into some wa pane no. That time na 46%. Scientists and researchers and nkonfo bebe eguso omo ye hwehwemu. Se ne be ya ye be improve vaccine no. Na MPP se ne be me kan some awade no. That time na some one wo hopa 46%. E boa ye nyina e bia nti na me dey ka say. Ene malaria vaccine you say 40%. That TB no e bia ba be do 100%. But yen chairman kola nguda ansana area panana abom.
Doc, finally, mo yen hwehwemu no munya any adverse side effects?
Munya side effects any adverse events munya ya semkoya ena me di kan ka kire won se nkola bi be ebia mba muso kaka ebia me nsa ba ne ya ena ehu
tie ekoban say bibi beyond normal ones here we hwen na genuinely as a result of the vaccine when na be hwe ho when na be monitor akwala no cheche ben ye dia ma parents no hin na ye dia akwada no be ko when na be bo ho ka.
Okay, it is the minimum match what can I say the one panel and our faith group ya no we feel say until ye into was so what we call hospital we self call hospital what they call hospital my doctor wo who say one me draw way and now abo panel way na doctor no actually say oh e be panel and I say we dey for phone na Food and Drugs Authority say my faith draw way and I'm a panel way it say that omo betina say ayen hwehwemu say bibi wom na say omo hu da obia betina say na ensise wo bia no nom da tuja mintimi nka se hwan na be fa ho ka na hwan na fa ho ka esisia
doc me da se why
munya me da se
e be Food and Drugs Authority ti savlungu na Adom Food and Drugs Authority nya district bia no mo I think say omunye further investigations
to say parent bia here FDA for contact
parent be here
FDA for more contact
and see
are you convinced?
I am not convinced. That's why I'm saying that we should do further investigations. That's why I'm saying that we should do further investigations because number one, Chama measles vaccines by US and Canada said that vaccine now more year now. I say a measles vaccine no one pay. Okay, they buy year 1987 US Canada and Jantum. They buy year 1999 US Canada and Jantum. They buy year 2001 US Canada and Jantum. They buy year 2000 and even 6 year term US Canada and Jantum. I feel no almost say with samples of Enkola over 63,000. Yatu omo jai hu omo levels no omo bibi afi na omo etimi develop omo measles vaccine
widened scope
eti de ba ya no na vaccine be ya
minim kwajo kado do sign ye bo no we hu
I don't know obi antimi nka. Number 2 vaccine na abakru mo no Food and Drugs Authority omo lab no e wo capacity etimi investigate vaccine na Food and Drugs Authority should tell us. Say your laboratory a timi investigate clinically vaccines. Food and Drugs Authority in Kachay. Standards board so my engine to say women so getting hold of the vaccine. It's gone through their system and their process. They can
no good choose he hefa nanka waseko.
Well, yenyanti no Gucci fonka kentampo fo ne yato monka. Kentampo for so omo here no omo dey come Food and Drugs Authority. The Food and Drugs Authority empanifo na agya tum doctor dem person be ka say wonom na agya tum.
I was say ye ne FDA for din komo. Esa uti asema wo kana wo say sa ope kwan ya duro no fa so ba ya memisa wo mo ko bisa FD
number 2 wo ye vaccine amankwala wo muntimi endru time obetimi akasa kra da wo hwe vaccine manufacturing and the processes there's a way to do it. You cannot do it mass like this because akwala was 6 weeks, akwala was 18 weeks on timin kasa. Why do you say akwada ni su ye from her akwada so for no fortune enum obeja isu obetimi de no for na akwatu enum na ne na we jai so but na the air cost was system no mu no na onim ye wo man ya ye ni chips compound cry ye well resourced. So when some of these things happen parents in the fact that when I monitor no monitoring effects and one
FD kwadwo asem
no please
panyine na ka asem no was FD na nya agro na way ni so so wo man ye de aduro ba be won krofo ma ye wie a panyine na ka so media minim kwa fa so ba nti se wo hawa bisa FD
I think say yenye further investigations
aduro no ye di free hin fa ne ba ye tua ho ka ana omo de che yen womo de chai hwan na sponsor ni interest ne sen I was say you move fa
anyway 40% into doctor say yen koso na yen tonton net nim
na ensa me wo pane no
I mean there be when say the one kwada
na make say ye Ghana for o mai dachi ya ne wo mo
apart from that san hwehwemu inti etimi nya bi fa ya bibidru ho
what the emphasis what the abasisi ya no yen hwehwe anumu enwie ye the one kwada oha emu 40 pe enna vaccine ne patch say ebetimi forty kra no ebetimi
na chacha ne
doctor in akanyam nam kai
kwadwo na say chacha ne
it is 60 no dey entimi. We need to go deep into this.
I don't know what they say ana o se e basa ka ye bo e malaria nru ho no e beba fom na che say aduro we no e ye free ana ye to
hwan
ne boy ya he
ne boy ya
so ye tie sata bia kura ku malaria
acho ye investigate ade we yi
ye de yempe Ghana de ade bia ye na wo man mu bia ye bu nanim tia wo ho
mate
yenko yanim na kwadwo enra me kotu se na
empe nyame asese me ni akola o ye less than 10 months
kwadwo wo fa ase bi beba
oh yeah
o ti ase eno ne ma ne ye ya no kwadwo ye
Food and Drugs Authority
be answer be kono na me ka we enra me kotu se na mpanyfo bi din komo police asem ya ye yakoyete se baabi abefa bi Adom pare na na eja o manfo ebo ni dia ntino
oh self line for another na mo ye
by popular vote dia ka nene ka Adom pare nkoko na akoye eja ti breakfast ne be yi dia
Ghana so ye bo din sa pe na ho be ye
no resource no say
oh ena me bia
Fajo Nyabotra wate
enwa wo pe me aboro me
vaccine asem the inja aka this week and we'll keep reading and the inja aka
na vote na mama fonti asese ye bisa na obi kire na dwa na nche so onu obi wo personal issue eye de yenim
obi ani
obi kura na obi hia da eye de yenim ena ye ka de se de owodi ni
ye Facebook voters need to say
Facebook na 17,000
uko Adom online say ya we dey nya log on to Adom online we be kwa akoto Adom online ya mfa wo mu nyina anto ho cause ebinim wo ho a retirement no due answer na me no kasa na nipa 187 na ato say kodu 226 you ever ba Facebook there na so say COP Nathan Kofi Boache LED with 46%.
46.
Yes, with a total vote of 103. COP Ken Yabua 37% with 84 votes. COP Dr. George Akufu Dampare LED Onina Tosodom Miensa with 10 votes, 10% with 23 votes. COP Christian Tatayonu 4% with 8 votes. COP James Opon Bueno on a deputy IGP say 2% with 5 votes. And I face COP Mami Tiwa Adodankwa 1% with 3 votes. It's a Adom online. Adom online there Tromusa could see the 14 days now at the Asheno. But Facebook there no you been 22 but of mama. Bien here. Menko back. Oh, okay, but that's it. Any part of Facebook say 17,000. with 1.5 comments, 1,500 comments, and then nipa 171 and a share. Facebook no see nipa waka biom. IGP can be waka.
Facebook no.
Canada na kasa ye na.
Mama problem
ko ba na send the
madam Tiha na mo ano nya den. Straightforward.
Facebook no. Aye COP Kofi Boachi. And COP Mama Tiwa. And as see an ye to mo so aba. In 2 days no sa post ni be end.
Okay.
And dia ye de COP 4 million ebesia to.
I didn't na 2 pen a day here.
Facebook no. Facebook no so ye post na. Oko options when the man just 2
nipa 2
pen I'll be to be there then at the ashim war.
Okay.
It's ye 14 days in ye 2.
Okay.
It's where we are. I'm watching you see ye. Na between COP Kofi Boachi and COP Mama Tiwano. Ye ya odi kan ye de na sinchen. Ya running another 2 COPs. Nti no be really ye ni so no de sinchen. Ye we are ye be mo hu ni a Ghana for so one person yes COP
by popular vote
on
we know I say this poll ends in 2 days. Enti yawada na end. Enti fiada won't be to Matiwa na Kofi Boachi.
Fiada no ye de 2 COPs for
and then phone na
beto ne ya to so aba.
Okay. They beto mo so aba. Enti say no Kofi Boachi wo 87%. Tiwa wo waka wona Facebook ni sha wonsa ka.
Sisi ano se oko Facebook Adom 106.3 FM aye post na ye 17,000 votes and then for ache o maadwe na okohwe a aye COP Kofi Boachi over 14,000 and na Mamiti wa 2.2 thousand au kabuma that just
2,200
2,200
no Kofi Boachi 14,000
14,000 o hwa ye bubu mu ha de ma Facebook no obubu bibia mu de ma
o sa
nipa o obubu bibia mu de ma tu
na won ato no so na wase
no won wase obehu obi a wato ne din bibia wo
okay COP Nathan Kofi Boachi 14,000
sane da ho na
na COP Mamiti Wado dankwa 2,200
obi akọ obehu South Africa we wo
nya so won ato ni
obi anso a wato din wo
okay
na mo post ne bia ema obi a kire die ntia
eno ne comment obi to o say I love Kofi Boachi. This is the best man. I'm sorry, Kufuado never.
Any love assembly ye kan. Ye pe bit me aye djuma.
Na djuma enye na djuma o ya nka onimu no.
It is say COP Maxwell Saki Pasco Atingani and so ho. Ono so ono krada nye nanka.
COP ana ne dan kwan so ho.
Na COP Prosper Aglo.
And so
ho.
Na Zappa.
COP Beatrice Zappa.
Vips.
Vib Zansiri so ewo ho Dampare ewo ho
minim no
and afei Christian Tete Yohonu enso ho Kofi Boachi ewo ehobi and afei COP Akuruba Yagi and so ewo ho COP David Ampabeni ewo ho COP Kanyeboa and so ho COP Mame Tiwa Adodankwa and so ewo and afi COP Opon Bueno Deputy IG on so
I didn't the Dampare aneko
sa
na to de bi so obu ho ani position ankasa wo kura mu no hidi ma abonten enti nipa bebre nim no na adwuma a wo ye no ye inside enti amanfo nhyeda ente ne nka no mohu adwuma a wo ye enti omo adwuma na akwaye se wo ne public ewo interactions no sa nipa no na ya ye ti
omo ye popular na ye kan ye ken ye den ati breakers ne be yi enti ye den
ye fafa
me de me pai
emma mienu ne wo
ye kenya IGP yo bank enye bad but se say ne de Dampare ne ko.
Okay.
Say ye kase emma susu nko bi enu nkyere say oba de ontumi nye kra na ye oba nti mpacho foju adwuma bi wa ha anya sa ono a ogena
ono na se nkwa
na kwajo bi nyai ai
medumo mic no so asijai eti ye
na kwajo ai kenkan me Mother's Day promo
mpacho wadumo mic no
kenkan me Mother's Day promo no chana ne bisi yes obi an true story e fa no maame ho de ma no maame da soronko She 3 amount for the brofo by disqualify omo Tronitwi 3 to 4 minutes. Never bra Adom FM your front desk. Joy FM abrosa man patch man announcement. We are with me at was. It would be Fabra
so bit you. Every want to be Trotri.
Otia Adom kwa dia so to me chiro.
Agrobia wo homra. Ghana Music Awards. Yes, your academy or board new voting. Yembra and say Trotri, Untimin Trotria, Tranchina do bit me at Tron Tromra. Fabra front desk. Or the bar, ye be you nine, or more ya deano, ye be you nine near the drama, and your sound effects. I can't say the eking camena near Bonine Mother's Day, air Quesia de enemy. Tiaba nine in a month 40 near beer phone lines now month for to swabba, Sanso Enna, ye the panel be almost bet your marginalia for home. Ye via Facebook comments near Dina near a post, they said the NEA, Nipo bedin kunimno, near Bonabaso, your china, and the band of we in Tiafena, which are the atron and tem Nefabra, Essence Watchna, a bitrim a king kaime. Mother's Day promo. We are near so King Kaime, you can Kaime. No, I just say, say,
Nana Samuel Ofori Oche, or a head of department for visual arts, or Ghana's Kofodria, or say a ne a na wood. Ain't na quena would day, and ye na just on some team Nina, Miss Ofori, Yenina Yema, I would apanya head of department visual arts.
Visual arts, you miss a statue.
Statue no.
I want in University.
But your statue mean can't want same view.
I don't want 6.3. I can't do not pay non kono abo. Uncle Lute Jacobs Ababi Drew. Okay. See. And some you know near they call. Your vaccine yani. And Uncle Lute morning.
Good morning.
Mwache kakrana.
Kobna Muhammad name.
Oh, I was saying to the name.
Oh,
you go apartment here.
Oh, Yamina Adom. Oh, you're fine.
Ah.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, MP. MP Akwaba.
I'm some pain, but you don't know.